Hey guys, welcome back to g3fashion.com. आज का जो वीडियो है उसमें हम देखेंगे आप डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ आउटफिट्स को टू वेज एक डिफरेंट स्टाइल में कैसे पहन सकते हो. हमारे पास है साड़ी, सलवार सूट, कुर्ती सेट एंड ऑल्सो लहंगा. So let's quickly move on to the style tips. So number one is the salwar suit. Now you can see it's a normal salwar suit, but I've draped a sari on top of it in a different style, like a dupatta, and I've also removed the jacket that was previously worn on the salwar suit. So here's how you can style the same salwar suit into a different styling look. You can always carry a different type of a sari, or you can also do this with a long dupatta. Next is styling this lehenga choli into a different look. I'm using an Indo-Western, so she's wearing the Palazzo and I've given her the jacket on top of it. Now if your Indo-Western doesn't have a jacket, of course you can do the same look with a dupatta. You can find the video in the eye or the description of how to style a dupatta into an Indo-Western shot like this. And this is how you can wear the simple lehenga choli into a different look with styling the choli in the same look. Number two is styling a kurti set in a different look, and we've styled the same kurti or the kameez with jeans for a normal casual look, and this is how it turned out. So this is how you can wear a simple kurti set for a different casual look. Number four is styling a sari in a different look. Now we're switching the blouse look and we're also switching the drape over here. As you can see, the first one is an open palla drape, but here we're using a different type of a drape technique, which is a party wear sari pleated look. And I've pleated the whole sari with pins, and I'm draping it properly over here on the left shoulder, also cleaning it up at the waistline, pinning it up together at the center. Now you can see drastically the sari look has instantly changed by switching the blouse and the drape. So this is how you can wear a simple sari into a different look. So guys, that's all from us on different styling tips for one outfit in two ways. If you like the video, you can also find the collection on our website g3fashion.com, or you can also use G3 Plus video shopping service. Thank you and bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.